ਕੀ ਹੋਇਆ? ਉਹ ਫਿਰ ਕਮਜ਼ੋਰੀ ਹੋਣੀ ਨਾ ਹਲੇ।
Wow, we are making a tattoo. You wanted to make a tattoo?
Yeah. It's nice, that sticker.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
ਇਹ ਬੜਾ ਚੰਗਾ ਹੈ, ਨਾਲੇ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਰੈਸਟੋਰੈਂਟ ਚਲਾਇਆ ਕੈਫੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਮ। ਪਰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣਾ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਵੀ ਇਦਾਂ
Yeah.
Wow, that looks so nice.
ਹਾਂ ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ ਕਰਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੜੀ ਜਲਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਉਹ ਠੀਕ ਆ ਉਹਦਾ ਸਾਫ ਸੁਥਰਾ ਨਾਲੇ ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ।
You okay?
Yeah. Ouchie.
No, it's not itchy.
Ouchie. Ouchie.
थोड़ी देर में
कुछ भी नहीं होता। वो एयर आ रही होगी ना इसीलिए।
अच्छा ये ब्लैक कलर ही बनेगा?
हाँ।
कलरफुल नहीं था इसमें?
Mommy,
Yes, Peter.
what are you doing?
I'm making a video.
What up? A sock?
Yeah.
Done, done.
Yeah, it's done.
मुझे लगता नहीं she will be sitting. They always surprise us, you know.
Yeah.
You are beautiful. Aren't you cold, Peter? No cold?
Well done.
Yeah, it's done. But no, don't move it. Huh?
Wait.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
So mommy's new.
Wait, Peter. Wait 1 minute. Wait.
I'll go, mommy.
Oh, on here. Bas. We need to dry it first. See? Oh, dry हो जाएगा ना? Dryer से कर दो dry.
Dryer, पूरा dryer.
Oh, we're gonna dry it with a dryer, and then it's good to go.
Cleaning.
Yes. You wanted to see the butterfly?
Yeah.
All right. Hey, they're gonna do.
Wow, butterfly.
Wow, very beautiful.
Butterfly.
Shiny, look at here. Shiny,
Yeah.
look at here. Do this. Do this.
Yeah.
क्या कर रहे हैं?
Go butterfly.
This one is a sticker.
Shani want more potato?
Yeah.
What do you want more?
Oh, this one.
This side.
Okay, I'll make a way.
You want to make a
More.
one more? Okay. What do you want more?
Hand more hand.
Rose?
Yeah.
Rose you want?
Not at all.